1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. Last number for the third compartment. 0. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. Last number for the fourth compartment. Last compartment. 0. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. Last number for the fourth compartment. Tingnan po nga mabola ko ito, raffle. Yung consolation prize. Dahil 5 nga consolation prize. Okay? Okay, sir? Ay, ritual. Okay. Ritual ka no? Oo. Litan. Basta, yan. Op. Okay. Ritual roll. Pamanji. Ada matinag. Oh. Sek. Oh, gimana? Okay. Yes, ma'am. Okay. Sige, mananakan na mo tanong grand prize i-blindfold to ni Mr. Bangag. Okay. Bola na mo. Okay na. Agang spy. Okay, agang spy. Balita consolation.
First consolation prize. Ikan yun.
Okay. Oh, okay. One. Hindi ka naman. One na. One. Mike.
1. 1. First ball 1. Surat. Second ball 5. Third ball, 6. 9. Baliktad. 9. Ada line na po. 9. Ada line na. Fourth ball. 2. Last ball. 5. So for the first consolation prize is number 15925. Balik ang bola. Ito ba kano? Gusto mo lang ata? Okay. Okay. Roll for the second consolation prize.
Uno, laban.
Okay. Second consolation prize. First ball. Ayan na po. 6. Okay, hi, yan. Second ball. 0. Third ball. Mana po? 4. Fourth ball. 8. Last ball. Kira po. Yan. 6. So for the second consolation prize is number 60486. Balik ang bola. Okay.
Okay, kumatawa.
Ketawa kayo muna.
Manervyos kami ako. Manervyos kami.
So that is for the third consolation raffle draw. Number first ball 2. Second ball 8. Third ball 1. Fourth ball 1.
Swerte naman ng
Last ball, sister. 6. So for the third consolation raffle draw, winning number is 28116. Balik ang bola.
Datang!
Makanervyos. Makanervyos.
Okay. So,
We go
Makanervyos.
for the fourth consolation raffle draw.
Makanervyos.
Each consolation prize is 1,000 pesos cash. Okay. First ball, 3. Second ball, 7. Gibas kita.
amo na yan, silig pa na. Amo na silig.
7. Third ball, 7. Fourth ball, 2. And last ball, 9. So we have the winning number for fourth consolation prize of 37729. We go for the last consolation raffle draw. Oh. Nya tinangabak titikan na po.
Manerbios kami ako, manerbios
Okay,
kami.
turun mo man nga na lang, sir.
Go for the Hilux!
Nagdama. Why, awan ti chubi na rin ako.
Go for the Hilux!
Nay, bitin lang. Op, op, op. Saan balik yan? Ibalik? Ibalik? Apo? Balik. Okay, balik. Wala pa. It's not final. Okay. Okay. Rooming.
Go for the Hilux! Go for the Hilux!
Okay. Last consolation prize.
Good luck to all.
Good luck, gentlemen. First ball. Oops. 3. Second ball. Ano tabo? 7. Third ball. Third ball. 7. Fourth ball. 5. 5. And last number is 3. So the last consolation prize is 3, 7, 7, 5, 3. Okay, agangasin. Final na din ako. Ready, ready. Break. 20 seconds. 1, 2. Ito yun ako, dito electric bike. Electric bike ako na ni. And now. Napintas na ako, napintas. Check your numbers.
Ano ba yan?
Check your numbers. Oh.
Makanerbios
Electric
ang live
bike.
ko, father.
Hindi lagkanta ka man.
Oh. Sino ka nag-volunteer na kanta rin ako, Megan?
Nakalive back ako.
Oh. Di karawar. Dasigir ba nita? Ada ni suyusoy. Oh. Okay na po. Para hindi kumabi. Let's go. Resume for the third main prize. E-bike. E-bike na rin ako. E-bike.
This is the e-bike.
Pwede yung second prize. Ag-blindfold niya ako pangag.
Yes.
Well, i-blindfold tayo.
Yes.
I-blindfold tayo. Okay. Okay. Third prize. Third prize. Sige na, balik. Okay. Ay, 0. Tagaluling. Tagaluling. 0. Aluling.
Ayun!
7. Aluling. 7. 8.
Ayun!
Third prize. Ay, third number. 8.
Nerbios.
Fourth number. 0. Saan sabot? Last number. 9. So, for the winning number for you, the e-bike is number 0, 7, 8, 0, 9. So, balik naman ang bola. O, balik naman. Extra naman ako. Extra naman.
Mag-pray na kayo for XRM.
Sino tumakin number ako doon, Jai? Ada ka niya? 0, 7, 8, 0, 9. Ada ako? 0, 7, 8, 0, 9. Ang palang. Okay, nalpasin na ito e-bike. Nag-helmet kayo. Nung mga ba kaya po dito, itahanda kayo nga tiliwan ti pulis, ag-helmet kayo. So, dati ordinansa ti munisipyo awi, alain mo lalo nga gundaway nga mangibaga. At nga nakamotorsiklo, single, wear your helmet. No, awan helmet yung tiliwan da kayo nga po. Iti first offense, 1,500 pesos. No, hanyo apan bayadan, nga po pulis, ipan na jay, pila na jay, municipal trial court, o information ka na tayo day ako. So please wear your helmet, no, at motor kayo. Kaya nabakan nyo rin kayo, uri ka na helmet na. Dahil sumurot nga helmet na. Okay, next. XRM, the second main
Blindfold.
prize. Blindfold? Oh, anak na magitan. At talikod ka, sir. Ano, baka binto no, isabling mo. Oh, sige. Okay, patay. Okay. Manong round? Ha? Ni father? Oh, father, ikaw raw. Oh, ikaw raw.
Sala lang ano.
Oh, sala na lang si father. Okay. Okay, hindi na. Ano kikilan? Oops, balik. Di na ba? Bilangan mo baka sawali. Okay. Sige, balik. Okay. Roll. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kamu kita sir, nagtudumkan. Okay. Sige, bye, sir. Sige, bye. Bilangan. Okay. Check. Ano? Well na po. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tako naman na po ah.
Fair talaga
Two,
si Father, oh. Talaga.
4, 6, 7. 7 na po ah.
Yan na talaga kayo ng chance na manalo.
Oh, great. Please. Grabe. Ay, grabe.
Na, bagay tuloy.
1. Tama.
Fair ka.
2, 4, 2, 4, 2,
Mga
4, 7 na po.
nasa taso. Sister.
Ay, 1, 7. Okay. Oh, pag nervyosin natin ni Apo. Oh, balik pa ka no. Balik pa. Oh, balik pa. Oh, patayan pa.
Diba?
Balik pa. Okay. Roll. XRM, Apo. XRM.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. I go for the
Okay. Sige. Okay. Woo! Sila bang habat tanong meron, Apo?
Quatro.
Allah. Balik. Yan. Tama na. Oops. Number.
Four.
One. Sus, aluling.
Ay, may one.
Number 6.
Six. One.
Number 8.
Wow.
Number 8 manon. And number 4.
Ay.
So the winning number for the Honda XRM FI is number 10.
Six.
16884. Baik, Taiwan.
16884 XRM. They're all there.
16884. Second prize. Third prize 07809.
Tayo na nga ba kayo? Pakinakingayo.
Jesus Christ, the Son of God, was born for you and me. He came to bring the good news and sin to set us free. The blind, the deaf, the lame, the poor, His power meant to see. He gave His life upon the cross, eternal life the key. He broke bread and shed wine before His agony. We share the body and the blood in His memory. To make His message known is our responsibility. So here we are to pledge our lives to the Lord of eternity. I am the Lamb, the salt and light. I am We carry Christ in our hearts, in what we do and say. We raise our voices with the truth.
Dito yung church na makakuha. Ma-repair. Na ito. Ito yung grand prize.
Hello. Apo. Let's go na, Apo. Misa to na, Apo, misa. Hello. Okay. Let's resume the grand prize, which is 4x2 brand new pickup Toyota Hilux. Bigyan mo na eh. Hindi nag-iswerte ako, nagsasarita kayo ah. Siya pinag-drive dyan. Ay, ada di konting announcement ako ah. Just in case nga ada ka na tayo dito di mga bak, puno gagayon tayo, na full tank abo dehan nga included. So the winner, bayaran na abo dyan full tank na diesel. Aman. Kasi tilangin to niya Toyota abo ko 10 liters. Pinul tank ti parokya ti diesel na di ay. Kat whoever na winner should refund. May sabay, may kadwa. BJ naganan comprehensive insurance abo. Iti comprehensive bigay talaga full. Saan nga naka-comprehensive yay. So adan to jay winner no kaya't na comprehensive insurance. Naka-TPL lang, third party liability insured. Oh, may tatlo day. May kapat. Oh. Siya pinag-drive diyan, kapatang tayo. Nagrigatan kami diyan, duduwa kami ng pader. Oh, ada ti patangan. Okay, let's roll the grand pickup Hilux truck. Roll. Bilang tayo ka na po. Sige, music. Awan. Pagpukapuk ka doon. Sige, 1, 2, sige. Patay-patay ako na, sir. Ito ang dami ito, final grand draw. Pickup truck. Sige. Okay. Yan ka dyan. Stopin. Stop. Okay. Sige ba gano? Sige ba? Countdown. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sige na. Basit na. Okay, balik. Okay. Baita. Laban lahat. Okay, pose number 3. Second number 1. Tie number 3. Fourth number 6. Last number 7. Winning number Toyota pickup Hilux truck. Brand new 3136 Shede. 31367 31367
Congratulations! Dagitoy tinangabak.
Dito. Dito, tapos yan. 1, 2, ready.